we're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets.
We just turned in the car. Our flight is in the morning. We're headed back over to the condo to get some more stuff packed up, and we will be on to our next journey. I'm excited about it. I am excited about it. We absolutely love Thailand, enjoyed it, but I do get hot feet and I like to move, I like to go, and this is going to be another chapter. You excited, baby?
Very excited.
Oh, we're gonna see you soon.
Yeah.
So I'm probably not gonna be getting any sleep tonight because we are leaving in a few hours, heading back to the US. It's a little bittersweet. I'm excited about what we're going to, but I am sad about leaving Thailand. I definitely will be back here. We're flying through Japan and into LA. We're going to be in San Diego for a while, and that is exciting to me because I've always wanted to live in San Diego. So we're getting the opportunity to stay in San Diego for a while. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna be there, but I know I look rough right now, but I am so tired. It is 3:30 in the morning. We have to leave out of here about 5:30, and as you see, everything is packed. But I'm coming back here in about a month. Charles will not be coming back with me because he's got business he's got to handle there, and I'll be here for about a month, and then I'll be going back to California. Yeah, it's gonna be a little strange coming back to this condo without my husband. That's gonna be weird. He's not excited about it. I'm not excited about it, but you know, I gotta come back here and do some more packing and shipping this stuff back. I am so tired. I guess I'll be sleeping on a plane the whole way. Yeah, so I'll keep you posted on what's going on. So this is it. We are packed up and we are about to head out to the airport. Charles is stressing a little bit, but he's okay.
Yep, good.
I'll see you in a month.
What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder.
So this is it, guys. We are heading out. We made it in the van and he was on time. Hopefully we'll get to the airport on time. I'm hoping it's not going to be a long line because we got to check a lot of bags.
A lot of bags.
I have not gone to sleep at all, so I've been up all night. It's about 6:30 in the morning and our flight is at 10. So I probably will see you when we settle in at the airport or on the plane. I don't know yet. We'll see. All right, later. Oh yeah. is an extra bag, so we have to pay $200 for an additional bag. And we're in line now. Got about a 3-hour layover, so it is time for us to head out to our next flight. I think we got about maybe 20-25 minutes, and next stop is LA. Talk to you soon. Gracefully, and that always feels good. Last flight we got on, that thing smacked the ground. So we have got our bags and we are headed out of the airport now. We gotta go pick up the rental car and then go to the hotel. So we'll see you when we get done with that. We've got so many damn bags, it's ridiculous. We got the rental car and we are headed to the hotel to check in. It's busy out at this airport. It's a little chilly here too, but refreshing. Good morning. We are in sunny LA. Well, not so sunny today. It's kind of cloudy out here, but we are headed to try and get some SIM cards for our phones so we can use our phones here and hopefully house hunting. We'll fill you in and let you know what's going on. Look at him, the driver.
See you later.
Back in the States, it is that time of year again. Something you don't see over in Thailand. So we have arrived at this house. We're gonna go inside and take a look at it. It's a beautiful neighborhood, so hopefully the house is nice. Okay, so we went and we did a walk through house number 1 today, and it wasn't that I didn't like the house or we didn't like the house. It was just kind of a weird layout, and I'm not sure if it shows on the video. However, it was carpet everywhere in the house, and that kind of threw me and Charles off, because one thing we know, we do not like a whole lot of carpet, because we had a lot of problems with carpet in our old house before we built our other house, and it was just a nightmare, especially sleeping with the carpet. But anyway, didn't want the carpet. So house number 1, we didn't completely write it off yet, but yeah, it was a little bit weird for me. But we're gonna look at a couple more houses, and we will take you guys along to see what we see. So we'll see. I don't know, it's a long process, but I definitely, just like anybody else, I don't want to live anywhere that I'm not comfortable. So we will see what we can find here in San Diego. Talk to you later.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. Well,